the outdoor of the Bay House. Being 192 meters above sea level provides a unique, unobstructed view with the utmost privacy, seclusion, and a natural sound barrier. This property will forever be above the surroundings, having the ultimate unique selling position.
This 1.5 hectare lifestyle property offers unobstructed 270-degree views, to the south showcasing the beach and Bear Island, to the east featuring stunning sunrises, and to the north thoughtfully designed pathways ensure easy access to enjoy the land for harvesting or lifestyle activities. The Bay House has been elevated 1 meter above ground level, featuring infinity decks that seamlessly blend the property with the horizon, creating an illusion of endless space. This design also ensures a single-level building for the accessibility of occupants, including those with disabilities or handicaps. The playful coastal pathways on the east side invite exploration, offering a sensory experience enriched by aromatic herbs and the myriad wonders of nature.
Live above it all. Let's discuss your future home.